friends, you know what these are? These are different kinds of paper flowers and leaves which are made from quilling. To make them, we are going to need some quilling papers. These are of two types, thick and thin. You have to buy them both. Quilling tool, glue and scissor. That's all. So, let's start. First, I'm going to teach you how to make these flowers. To make them, you're going to need a strip. And now with the help of the quilling tool, you have to roll it. Please follow me step by step. With quilling, we can make numerous amounts of things. I came up with the idea to make greeting card, photo frame and a picture. So, let's start. The whole strip. Now we have to roll it. to roll it. See my beautiful photo frame. Now I'll show you how to make a greeting card. So, as you can see, our greeting card is ready. You can write happy birthday on it or write any occasion on which you are making this greeting card. Basically, with these things or flowers, you can create a numerous amount of things. You can use them to decorate the gift you are gifting to your friend. You can make a greeting card of your types. You can make a portrait, anything you want with these flowers. Now, I'll show you how to make a portrait. So as you can see, our portrait is also ready. It's so beautiful, right? So this was the end of my video. If you liked it, please subscribe, like and share to my channel and videos. Bye friends.